This is called as alphabetical series, and in these questions, these kind of questions will be very simple. You need to make sure that you will find out what is the value here. Okay, and in most of the cases they'll be very simple, but I'll tell you how you can solve such questions faster. You need to make a table here. How it will be? You need to make a table of alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, just below this write N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There is a reason behind why I am writing like this, and you just go on writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, I'll tell you why I have written like this. In some cases, they will ask you what is the opposite of B. Opposite of B will be Y. Okay, what will be opposite of L? It will be O. And they may ask you in reverse order. If you look at this Z, Z is the first element, right? So from the reverse order. So Z is 1, Y is 2, X is 3, W is 4, V is 5. You can see everything in this simple table. So whenever you are solving such questions, make sure that you will make a table of this type so that you can solve any kind of given questions. Now let's look at the first question. What it is saying, we have got A, C, E, G. You just try to identify. We have got A, C, E, G, and then K. So obviously the answer is what? I. Right? So the answer of this question is I. In this way, they will be very simple, but you need to make sure that you will have a table like this so that any kind of questions will be solved. Fine. Now answer for this is I, option A. Okay. I think there is no doubt in this one. Then what we will do, we'll just carry this table forward. Now the second question. Just try to solve this question and tell me what is the answer. I'll give 1 minute of time. Just let me see you can solve or not. I have got A, B, D, G, then P. Anyone? Are you able to send messages? Okay. So answer is K. We'll check once. Just A, B, and then we have got D, and after D we have got G. If you observe this carefully, it is like I got A, B, and then D, and then G. There is one gap here. There are two gaps, and then here there should be three gaps. And so the answer of this question will be what? K. Right. So answer is K, option A. I hope this is clear to everyone. Anybody any doubt? See, they'll be very simple, but if you have a table like this, questions can be solved much quicker. Okay. As soon as you get into any exam hall, no, especially SSC or any banking exams and all, they'll ask you questions of this type, and so just make sure that as soon as they start the exam, just have a table of this type, since you'll be having very less time during solving the questions. By having a table like this, you will be able to solve them much faster. Okay. Now you see the third question. Can you tell me what is the answer? Yeah, Bhanukirti, you are saying it is Q. Renuka Q, Meghna Q, and then anybody, any others are still solving. We'll see whether it is Q or not. Monisha Q. Okay, fine. We'll see. We have got B, we have got E, we have got H. So by looking at first three letters, we are clear that there is two gap in between, right? And so we have got K. After two gaps, we have got two gap, and then N, again two gap. So answer will be what? Q. That's why answer of this question is what? Q. Fine. Simple. Now we'll go to the next one. Fourth question. What is the answer? You can solve this and tell me the answer. Again it's Q. Monisha says it is Q. Renuka Q. Okay, we'll check once. Meghna Q. Fine. We'll see. We have got B, D, and then G. So observe there is one gap, then two. So it will be three. Check. We have got next K or not? No. So it is B, D, and then G. We have got two gap here, and then I. One. Here there is one gap, two gap, again one, and then mostly two gaps, and then again one, and N they have written. After this, we have got two gap, and then Q. So the answer of this is what? Option D, Q. Fine. Okay, see the fifth question. Question number 5. Okay, Bhanu says it is 7, P, and then any others? Siri P. Next, others not active. Just try once. If you give a try, then you will understand. If you are making some mistakes while solving such questions, you can just clarify when I will explain. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll go for solving the question. We have got B, C, E, G, K. Just mark them. We have got B, C, E, G, K. If you look at this question, how it looks like, it is having a pattern in this. Can you identify the pattern? You see these numbers. Observe these numbers carefully. It is 2, 3, 5, 7, and then 11. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. The reason behind why we have written numbers is because of this only. Now what are these numbers? Can you tell me what are these numbers? Look at these numbers carefully and just try to tell me what are those numbers. Yes, they are prime numbers. So, what will be the next number here? It will be what? 13. 13 is the next prime number. So, answer of this question will be what? M. Sometime you may have these kind of questions also. So, observe the numbers carefully. Answer of this question is A. Okay, right? So, you need to observe these things very carefully. Always these kind of questions will have a pattern. You should identify what is that pattern, and that comes only by the practice, because sometimes you may not think that a question may be asked in this way also. So this will enlarge your ability to view the question. Okay, now just try to solve this sixth question. Observe the numbers also. Any answers? Sohail says you. Okay, then any other answers? Monisha, you. Fine. They are ovals. Yes, they are ovals. You can see A, E, I, O, U. So this is a very easy kind of question, and so answer is what? C. Fine. Now we'll go to the next one. Just try to solve this one. Anybody answer? Just observe. I'll give a hint. Okay. Somebody says why. Monisha, right? Okay. Bhanu says why. How? How it will be why? What is the logic you have used? Yes. Square numbers. We'll check. Observe this A. So A is here, D is here, I is here, P is here. Go on observing 1, 4, 9, 16. Obviously it's a square number series, and the next one will be 25. So 25 is here, and the answer of this is Y. Yes, good. Fine, we'll go to the next one. Eighth question. Just try to solve this one. I'll provide you the table. Okay. A hint, it will depend upon the numbers. Whatever the number you are getting, it will depend upon the numbers. Okay, I'll give another hint. It is more related to prime numbers. More related, not the prime numbers only. Okay, still I am not able to get any answers. I'll give you another hint. Yes, Siri says it is P. Okay, then any other answers? Okay, Bhanu Kirti says it is yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, fine. We'll go for the answers. Meghna yum, Renuka yum. We'll see. Observe it carefully. We have got D. Just mark this D. We have got F. Mark this. We have got H. And then I. And then J. Then L. So, what are composite numbers? They are numbers which are divisible by more than two numbers. More than two numbers. Like they are not prime numbers. Not prime. In simple terms, they are not prime. They are opposite of prime numbers. You can see they have skipped all the prime numbers here. 2 they have skipped. 3 they have skipped. But not prime is not a correct word, because you know that 1 is not prime. 1 is not prime also, and it is not composite also. We cannot call it as prime or composite both, because this is having only one number as its factor. But all other numbers, you can see we have skipped 5, 7, 11. So we have to skip what? 13. After skipping 13, what is the answer? What is the next composite number after 12? It should be what? 14. So the answer is n, and in this case we do not have an option. So I think there is a error in this one. Most of you have given m. I know you have given m because it is most suited answer, means nearby answer. It should be n. Fine. Sometimes in the exams these things may happen. In that case you will have a grace marks. Okay. Fine. Then we'll go for the next question. You just try to solve this one. So the answer is W. W, W, W. Okay, all have answered W. We'll see how it is W. Just try to observe. We have got A here and then Z. We have got A and then Z. So the next one is B and then Y and then C, X, C, X, and then after D we have got W. So it should be W, option C. Okay. And questions will be simple. If you know how you can solve, what are the different ways of solving the question, then you will be deal with it much faster. Okay, here speed is important. Accuracy will be there only, but speed is very important. How fast you think whenever you get a question. Okay, I hope there are no doubts in the questions. And these were 9 questions which are simple, but you need to improve your speed. Just try to solve some online quizzes depending upon this. And tomorrow we'll be going for bit more complex series which are much related to the alphabets only. But still we are left with some 5 minutes, so I'll give you a question here and I want you to solve that one. Just we'll have a 10th question. AM BN CO DP dash FR. You may have questions of this type also. and just try to see, try to observe and try to tell me what is the answer, what is the possible answer for this question. EQ, Kavana says EQ, Monisha DQ, okay, okay, EQ, Monisha says EQ, Bhanu EQ, 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 okay. We'll observe once, AM, you have got A and then M, right? And then next, BN, B and then N. Next, C, O. So now it is clear. They have taken D and then P. And the next one will be what? E and Q. So the answer is EQ. EQ is correct. Fine. We'll go for the next one. I'll give another question. Just try to solve this one. A, B, D, E, G, H, dash, M, N. Just see what may be the answer of this question. Okay, I got J, K, K, L, J, K, K, L, then which one is correct? J, K, J, K, J, K. Okay, I got J, K answers. We'll see how it is J, K now. I got A, B, right? And then D, E, G, H. So most probably these two, and then M, N. So it should be what? J, K. So J, K is the correct answer. Fine. And today this will be the last question. A, A, C, E, E, I, G, O, and then dash. Anybody answer? LU. Kavana LU. Okay. Any other answers? LU. Then LU. Again. Okay. LU. Fine. We'll see how it is LU. Observe this carefully. I got A. Just observe the first letter. I got A. Then I got C, E, G. Right. So the next one will be what? Okay, it is not LU, IU. Okay. All those who have answered it is IU, I think. Fine. It is I. So whenever you write a small I, it looks like L also. That's fine. It is I. And then next one, if you observe the second letter, A, E, I, O. So they are ovals. A, E, I, O, U. So it is I, U. And most, okay, all of them have answered I, U only. Fine.